In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp data to Excel. If you need to analyze your ClickUp tasks outside the platform, share information with someone else, or create a spreadsheet for reporting, exporting your data to Excel is a simple and useful option. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the list or table view in ClickUp that contains the data you want to export. This is important because the export will reflect the information from the view you currently have open. Before moving on, take a quick moment to confirm that you're in the correct location and that you're looking at the tasks or items you actually want to include. Once you're in the right list or table, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click Customize. This menu gives you access to several display and view related options, including exporting. If you don't immediately see it, just look carefully in the top right area of the view. After opening the Customize menu, click Export. This is the option that starts the export setup. At this stage, ClickUp will ask you what kind of data you want to include in the file, which helps you control how much information gets transferred into Excel. Next, choose the data you want to export. You'll typically see options such as visible columns, task names only, or all columns. If you only want the fields currently shown on your screen, visible columns is the best choice. If you just need a simple list of task titles, task names only works well. And if you want the most complete export possible, choose all columns. Picking the right option here can save you time later when reviewing the spreadsheet. After that, select Excel as the file format. This ensures the exported file is compatible with Microsoft Excel and makes it easier to sort, filter, and work with your data once it's downloaded. Then click Download. ClickUp will generate the file and save it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go directly to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Finally, open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel. Once it's open, you can review your data, make edits, create reports, or share it with others as needed. It's always a good idea to quickly scan the spreadsheet and make sure all the expected columns and task details were included. That's all it takes to export ClickUp data to Excel. Thanks for watching.